Google Workspace, or Notion? Which one should you choose to stay organized and productive? So let's break it down. Starting with Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a full suite: Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, Meet. Everything you need to work, communicate, and collaborate all in one place. Notion is an all in one workspace too, but it combines notes, tasks, wikis, and databases into one highly customizable app. Notion shines in flexibility. You can build your own workflows, dashboards, even CRM systems, all in one app. Google Workspace isn't as customizable, but it's reliable and familiar. Docs and Sheets work out of the box and are perfect for collaboration. Google Workspace is ideal for teams who need strong email, calendars, file sharing, and real time co editing. Notion is great for teams who want to document processes, plan projects, and build internal knowledge bases, all in one visual space. Google Workspace apps are fast, simple, and optimized for every device. Notion works on mobile too, but it's a bit slower, especially with big databases or heavy pages. So, which is better? Use Google Workspace if you need email, calendars, documents, and real time editing with your team. And use Notion if you want a single customizable space for planning, notes, and project tracking. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!